Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your smart trunk in the 2025 Kia K4. I have in front of me here an EX in Azure Blue. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we have a couple ways we can get into our trunk. One, we have the button on the key fob here that says hold. It's the one in the middle, and we just go ahead and press and hold that, and it's going to go ahead and pop the trunk for us. Or you have the other option, which is option 2. When you have your key fob on you, it could be in your pocket or a bag, and all you got to do is just walk up and just press the button on the back here, and it'll pop open because it knows the key fob is here, and that doesn't matter whether the doors are locked or not. And then we also have a third option, which is our smart trunk. So the first thing we're going to do for that is head inside to make sure that the feature's turned on, and then we'll come back out and see it in action. Okay, so now that we're inside, what we're going to do is head into the 12.3-inch infotainment screen, or our CCNC, and I'm going to go ahead and hit Setup, and then we're going to go into Vehicle, pardon me, and then we're going to go to Door, and then you'll see in the middle when we scroll a little bit, there's Smart Trunk. So we're going to make sure that that's turned on, and now it is. So now we're going to head outside. And now that we're back outside, the next steps are making sure the vehicle is completely off and the doors are locked and you've been away from it for at least a moment or two. So now we have the key fob on us. This could be in your pocket or a bag, doesn't matter. Let's say your hands are completely full. You're going to come up to the back of it. The car is going to detect that the key fob is here and it's going to start to beep and flash. And on that fourth beep, it's just going to go ahead and pop open for you. So now you can go ahead and put anything inside you needed to do. And then once you're done, because we didn't unlock the rest of the doors, as soon as I close this, it's going to relock itself. So now everything is back locked. And if I didn't have the key fob and tried to open the button on the back, it wouldn't open. And if you aren't a fan of that feature, you can just always go ahead and make sure it's turned off. Personal preference. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.